13 minutes before the hour now, an FBI agent changed a key word or series of words in former FBI Director James Comey's statement on the Hillary Clinton email investigation. That's what a source tells our chief intelligence correspondent, Catherine Herridge. The special counsel, Robert Mueller, didn't fire him, relocated the agent from his team for sending the text messages that were apparently critical of President Trump. Let's bring in the Fox News senior judicial analyst, Judge Andrew Napolitano. The wording, the cry is that the wording was changed, and this changes everything.
Okay, we are talking about the wording in a public statement that then FBI Director Jim Comey made about whether or not the FBI thought Mrs. Clinton should be charged with espionage. The statement was made in July of 2015. And the statement said that Mrs. Clinton was extremely careless in the manner in which she cared for the state secrets that were in the emails. Or didn't, correct. We now learn through Catherine and our other colleagues that language, extremely careless, was suggested to Jim Comey by this same FBI agent, Peter Strzok.
And Peter Strzok did what? He sent some text to his girlfriend?
To his girlfriend, who's not his wife, who's a lawyer that works for the FBI. And in those texts, he was either apparently critical of the president or praiseworthy of Mrs. Clinton. I'm not sure. They haven't revealed the text. They haven't revealed the texts.
But shouldn't that matter?
No, it should not matter.
Should not matter.
No, it should not matter, Shep, because when a document is prepared, like the one from which Jim Comey read, which was of profound significance in the summer of 2015,
yes, it
a
was.
lot of people have their hands in there suggesting language to the director. The director of the FBI doesn't release anything other than hello, goodbye, see you tomorrow, without a number of people looking at it because it might become scrutinized by a court someday. So if one FBI agent suggests this language and another FBI agent suggests that language, it's Jim Comey's responsibility, or to whomever they're making the suggestion, on the choice of the language that is there.
But he reassigned this agent from a chief investigator from a very important position down to human resources.
Okay. Bob Mueller reassigned the agent, not Jim Comey. Jim Comey did not see a problem with the agent's political views, maybe didn't know about them at the time. So this is the same agent that interviewed Michael Flynn in the interview in which Flynn lied to the FBI. That interview, the transcript of that interview, was scrutinized by at least a half dozen other FBI agents and by the 13 lawyers in Bob Mueller's office, and they decided it was a lie. It didn't matter who asked the question. The crime is lying to the FBI, not lying to Mother Teresa. The FBI agents don't have to be clothed with absolute perfection in order to do their jobs.
So you're saying there's no there at all?
With respect to the political views of this FBI agent, in my opinion, there's no there. The people that work for the FBI have the same political type views as the rest of us. You show me an FBI agent who says he has no political views, and I'll show you either a dope or a liar. I've met a lot of FBI agents. I've never met anyone that's a dope and a liar.
So they all have their views, and it's about whether you stick to the facts or not. And in this case, they stuck to the facts?
Or whether your views so color what you're doing that you're not doing the right job.
Well, he moved him to another department.
Sometimes you want to deflect criticism before the criticism comes. We learned that he was moved 2 or 3 days ago. The move occurred 2 or 3 months ago.
So this is not a thing?
I don't think it is. The issue is, what evidence does Bob Mueller have of fill in the blank? A crime by the president, an impeachable offense by the president, collusion between the campaign and the Russians, or what doesn't he have?
And we'll know when we know.
Yes.
Judge, thank you.
You're welcome.
And the news continues right after this.